James here with Reliant Mortgage Solutions. Today I'm putting together a quick compare and contrast video going over the differences and similarities between the note rate, aka the interest rate, and the APR, the annual percentage rate. This is an important concept to keep in mind when you're shopping mortgages, because if you're just going around and looking at interest rate to interest rate on any given mortgage quote, you're not really getting a clear picture of what goes into that loan and which loan is actually more or less expensive. Let me walk you through and show you what I mean by that. So the interest rate is super simple to understand. It represents the amount of interest paid on the loan amount. So for our extremely dumbed down example, imagine that you have a $100 loan amount and 5% interest. Well, the interest paid on that loan amount will be $5. Notice that in this example, we didn't take into account any costs that go into that loan, just the interest paid on the loan amount. On the other hand, the APR, or the annual percentage rate, includes the interest rate plus costs such as broker fees, discount fees, and other closing costs. And it's also expressed in a percentage. This is commonly why you'll see that the APR is a bit higher than the note rate, because it does take into account those costs. So again, let's look at a second example. We have the same $100 loan amount, the same 5% interest, but this time we have $1 in other fees. Well, this is a kind of a symbol for this $1 is for things like a loan origination fee, a discount fee, anything that flows into the APR calculation. So if you go through this and you do the math, you see that it all equals $6. Well, if you divide your original loan amount of $100 by $6, you see that the APR in this example is 6%, which is a little bit higher than 5%. Well, this goes to show you that the APR is actually showing you a more accurate representation of what you're going to pay in interest plus the cost that you incurred to get the loan in the first place. So, in summary, APR considers cost to get the loan and the note rate does not. This is why the APR rate is slightly higher than the note rate in all of our quotes. The APR is an extremely important tool when you're comparing quotes side by side, especially if you're shopping mortgages and you're trying to get the best deal that you can. As always, please feel free to reach out to anybody at Reliant Mortgage Solutions if you have any more questions about this topic. We can always go through it in more detail. We can share with you, a little bit more information about what exactly goes into our APR calculations, or maybe what is excluded from the APR. But as always, we're happy to help with anything you might need. Thanks. Bye.